Okay, so for those who joined us today, welcome to Alexandria, welcome to TechneSummit. Here I am again, Sarah Walid. I'm proudly hosting you during the event. So let's start our day with Ahmed Fawzy, Information Security Manager at Raya, with the topic Cloud Computing Security versus Hackers Techniques.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Hope you are good. I think that today is the most suitable day to speak about the cloud and the stories maybe happening in the cloud and affect us. Okay. Anyway, welcome here in the conference on the second day. Welcome to TechneSummit. My name is Ahmed Fawzy. We'll speak today about the security challenges, okay, may surround our move to cloud. Everybody knows that the cloud computing now is the most requested service in the IT, okay. For our information, the US government moved the half of its data to cloud, right? Everybody will move to cloud in the next few years. So before we move to cloud, we should evaluate the security of our data. I will speak on the session. My main objective in this session, okay, we'll discuss the risks around, the new risks around move our data to cloud and evaluate the dream of unifying a storage layer of data across the world. Some perceptions speak about unifying the storage layer across the data. For example, if you have one file in the cloud, part of this file will be in London, another part will be in Berlin, another part will be in Egypt. Okay, so we should evaluate the security of this technology before we move. Everyone has very important data for him. Okay. Across all end users. Your data should be secure, right? Available. And then no one can tamper with it, and no one can change your data, okay? The data should be accurate. This is the CIA concept: confidentiality, availability, and integrity. If we are in a security, okay, should achieve this concept in any technology or any system or any network we working on. Okay. Now in 20 and 15, okay, how do you plan to keep your important data available and secure? If you remember, if I asked you this question since 15 years, what was your solution to keep your data secure and backed up? What you will do? You will bring this. Will bring extra 1 giga hard disk, okay, and back up your data and put this hard disk on office or your room or anything, okay. What we do now, easily, you know, can upload more than 100 gigabytes of the cloud as a backup, as a storage, as whatever, okay? So, thank God, we are now have our data on the cloud, backed up, available and secure. But before we say it is secure, are you sure it is secure? And the CIA concept is achieved in the cloud. So we will discuss in this session this topic in 2 ways. First one, sample of hackers techniques they use to hack the cloud. The another part, how to get your cloud secure. If we're looking for the market share for the cloud, this is comparisons by Gartner between 2011 and 2016 expectation. The investment in the cloud, will be horrible. Okay. everybody moved to the cloud. We can discuss the service model in the cloud before we start. First one, platform as a service. We can take full platform from hardware, operating system, applications, and network devices on the cloud. You can rent a switch, you can rent a firewall, okay? Platform, fully platform. The second model, infrastructure, full infrastructure on the cloud, okay? The third model is application as a service. For example, if you have Hotmail account now, you can edit your Word files, Excel sheets on the cloud, on your OneDrive, with Excel online, Word online. You in the browser, in your browser, you will find application in the cloud. Okay, this is an example for application as a service. Application as a service, CRM online. Yeah, we have a CRM online on the cloud. Okay, and you rent a part of the CRM to put your data, to have many employees working in the CRM, and you haven't any relation with maintenance, backup, and security. As a service, these magic keywords that give all the types of the cloud as a service, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and application as a service. We expect X as a service, for example. Okay. The advantage of the cloud, you can access the cloud from any type of client, okay? From mobile, from tablet, from laptop, okay? Cloud deployment model is three models: public cloud, and private cloud, and community cloud. Public cloud, like Amazon, like Dropbox, like Google, Microsoft. Private cloud is cloud developed for entity, for organization. For you develop your private cloud. Okay, community cloud is shared cloud between many organizations, the common purpose or community. All hybrid cloud that is contain many types of the cloud. Let's start with the first type, the cloud attacks. We cannot imagine at all that security will be end up, okay, with just username and password. Okay, before cloud computing, the user data was on his computer hard drive in his network. So if a hacker needs to access this data, okay, he will fight against the firewall, VLANs, IPS will maybe prevent his malicious traffic. IDS may detect his malicious traffic, okay, until get in the data or file server. Okay, but now in the cloud, some models, we have everything, applications and data, and what prevent the hacker to access this is just username and passwords. The authentication will be everything that the user needs to access the data. Okay, this means the hacker will get great opportunity to access the user data if he knows the username or the password, or try to crack by getting attacks, by brute force attack, by dictionary attack, by hardware attack. There are many algorithms, or there are many ways to the crack password. Everything shouldn't end up with username and password like this graph. Okay, the authentication here is everything. It is the best authentication is something you know as the password, as the username, something you have as PKI or your credit card, access card, something you are as biometric control. Okay, this is the best authentication. So, how to solve this problem? As there is a sensitivity of data, you must use one of the security solutions. Many banks around the world, many things. Many banks around the world, many organizations around the world use biometric techniques, PKI, to authenticate the users before access the cloud. Okay, the two-factor authentications. The two-factor authentication is very important before try to move your data to the cloud. Okay, cloud standards. Cloud standard is for just example, for denial of service attacks. What will be the situation if I put my own data in cloud, my own data in centralized location, and this location, okay, be a victim for distributed denial of service attack. Many hackers control a lot of PCs and clients around the world, okay, by install Trojans or something like that. And by clicking a button, he can launch attack, okay, order for all these computers to attack a target, to attack a victim. Maybe this victim is a cloud, okay, and this will be huge problem. Or hack the cloud application. For example, if the application you use to access your cloud has huge vulnerability, assume that every one of us have account on a storage server. The storage server is on the cloud, and we all use application to access this. Fine. What if a hacker exploit a vulnerability on this application, give him the ability to access all our data? It will be a huge problem. In the past, this wasn't exist. Okay, but when moved to the cloud, okay, if this happened, okay, it will be huge problem. Many of applications security challenges or attacks the hackers use, like buffer overflow, SQL injection, cross-site script, okay, may be applied with clouds. It is very important thing to discuss also is zero-day attack. Zero-day attack happens when a hacker finds a vulnerability in application. For example, Adobe Acrobat Reader that installed in billions of computers around the world. Fine. For example, he found a problem in this application. Okay, vulnerability may lead to full access control. If he wrote a code to exploit this, okay, this will be very huge problem. If he wrote a code to exploit this, this will be affect billions of users around the world. But if this happens in the cloud, it will be hurtful because all data is centralized in one location in your cloud. For example, if we now have a centralized application and the hacker exploit vulnerability, known vulnerability before the vendor of this cloud creates a patch, okay, he will access or he has the ability to access all the data on this cloud, okay. So zero-day, so we need to pay more attention for the zero-day attack, okay. It's a past security professional role and warning against zero-day attack vulnerability in popular software installed on every computer, like Adobe Flash player, popular media player. Okay, because if zero attack release today, the attacker will gain access to a lot of computers around the world. But the difference is computer by computer, client by client. Okay, but now the most serious phase to this fact, when we move to cloud, this will be a question. Okay, what about if zero attack? Day attack has been discovered in the cloud technology we are using. Okay, this will be very bad scenario. Okay, because everything is centralized in one location. Okay. Conclusion: we all know that there are no 100% security. Fine. So we should adhere our cloud to be secure. How it will be secure? It will be secure by implementing the state-of-art and the best recommendation of the big organizations like Science, like NIST, okay, to our clouds. For example, there are ISO for the cloud. It's under development. The ISO number is 27017, okay, and there are applications for NIST for this. It is 144, okay. Finally, we can say we will gain a lot of benefits when we move to cloud. But we must consider also the rest, including everything centralized in the cloud. I will have a video. It's it's length for 5 minutes, but I will take it in just 2 minutes or 1 minute. Okay, it will show you the benefit of the cloud in the world by Chrome. Okay, I will speak about the video because we haven't time resume. This person will write on the cloud. Okay, will start edit and in a text file document. But this man will come to take his computer. Okay, remember the data now is on the cloud. The computer will be destroyed here. They used 25 computers to destroy to demonstrate this video. They will destroy the computer, but he can, after that, resume with another computer writing his data because the data on the cloud. Okay, he will now open his mail, resume everything in the same, resume his chat, resume everything in the same file. Okay, they will put the computer now in nitrogen. Okay, I'm destroying it totally. The hard drive is cracked. There are no need for the hard drive because all data is in the cloud. He resumes another computer and resume editing, resume chatting. Okay, but and add a photo. Fine. It will be ready now. Another computer resume editing also with the same data, no rules for data, fine. But this beauty girl was come with the ice cream, okay, and I need to destroy the computer also by the ice cream. Okay, the most important thing, okay, the most important thing is no rules for the cloud. No for the data. 25 computers have it. It's really no. Unfortunately, no data was lost in this cloud. So we should consider security before move to cloud. And thank you for your attention.